What's up? My name's Chrissy and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this beautiful golden yellow look. Super easy to do as well. So bright, vibrant, and perfect look for like summertime. If you're going to like any festivals, any summer parties, I feel like this is a great look for that. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Morphe 25L palette. I already have a look here on my channel using this palette already, and I mostly used like the pinks and the purples, but now I want to dip more into like the yellows right over here. So I already got my eyes primed and set, my eyebrows done. First shade I'm going to take is this shade Sunlight. I'm going to take that in a Morphe M441 brush. I'm going to put that into the crease. I'm going to pack it on there, and then I'm just going to blend it out. Now I'm going to take the shade Thrive right here, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe M573 brush and do the same thing, just pack it into the crease. This shade Thrive, we really want to focus on packing that directly into the crease. Whereas with the shade we used before, shade Sunlight, we took it into the crease but also a little above the crease too. So I'm doing the same thing I did with the last shade, packing the color on and then blended it out. I'm gonna go back into this shade Sunlight and just add a little more. I'm gonna take that shade Thrive, just pack it on the outer corner and kind of blending that into the crease. Now I'm gonna take the shade Healing, and I'm gonna use my finger, place it all over the lid. Now I feel like this part is optional, but when I did my friend's makeup and I did this look on her, I did this step, and I felt like it just was a nice little extra oomph, little extra pop, you know? So I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in the shade Trophy Wife, and I'm gonna put that over the gold shade that we used. I love how Trophy Wife looks with this look because it has more of a yellow golden tone to it. Like the yellow undertones really shine, and I feel like it just really goes with the look. So, but like I said, if you don't have Trophy Wife, that's okay. You can still make the look really pretty with just using the golden shade that we used, Healing. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to take the shade Milk. I'm just using a e.l.f. flat brush. And for the waterline, I'm going to take this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in the shade Space Dust. Right, so I'm going to put on mascara and lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extensions mascara, and for lashes I'm going to use these by Bold Face Makeup, and these are in the style Worth It. I'm going to do that off camera. We're going to move on to the face. Okay, so I already have my lashes on. I got my primer, foundation, concealer, setting powder on. I also did a little contour on my nose, but I'm going to clean that up. I'm going to take the setting powder that I use, my Thrive Causemetics setting powder, And I'm going to take my beauty blender, dip it in there, and see if I can clean up. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that sit for a while. I'm not typically a person who likes to bake because I feel like it just makes my skin look really like crusty and super dry. So yeah, so just gonna try that for a little. But I am gonna take that Physicians Formula butter bronzer and bronze my face. I forget to mention this, but all the products that I use will be listed in the description bar below. Okay, and then for blush, I'm going to use the Alamar Causemetics Blush Trio Medium Tan, and I'm going to use the shade Seclusion. And then for highlight, I'm going to use Trophy Wife. This is a very like glittery highlight. It has a very strong golden yellow undertone, so I don't like to take too much of this. Then I'm going to put a little on the nose, down the nose. But ooh, it is so stunning. All right, you need to take this bake off. So now I'm just dusting away that bake. Gonna go back to the eyes, and I'm gonna take the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Thrive right there, and I'm gonna put that onto the lower lash line. Then I'm gonna also take a little bit of Sunlight, the bright yellow shade that we used, and just do the same thing, just to add a little bit more intensity. And I'm pretty much just packing the shadow down. Not even really like blending that much. Okay, maybe I'll blend. Just kind of blending a little, but not that much. Then for the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna take Trophy Wife, and on a small little brush, just put that in the inner corners. And then for lips, I'm gonna take the Morphe lip liner in the shade Petal. I'm gonna outline and fill in my lips with this. I'll probably just fill them in a little, like up to here, and then stop at the center. Then I'm gonna take this Morphe lip gloss, and this is in the shade Groupie. I'm gonna dab that in the center. And this right here is the completed look. I really hope you like this. I feel like this look is great for like festivals, and especially for the summertime, since it's so like bright, glowy, sunshine vibes, you know. I always get lip gloss on my teeth. Struggles. A great thing is this look is super easy to do, but it's like so pretty and unique. I feel like I love it. It's definitely a beautiful, vibrant look, but yet soft at the same time. Like, oh, I just love, like, you know, the golds and the yellows. Oh my god, especially like, you know, if you're standing like outside when it's sunny out, I feel like this look will just pop even more. Like, that lid is gonna boom, pop. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope you are having a great rest of your day. I will see you in the next video.